Local governments and public authorities use media every hour of every day to inform the public about COVID-19. However, migrants with a different mother tongue are cut off from this critical information stream. As a result, migrants feel insecure and are dependent on others to translate the news for them. They're more exposed to fake news and less able to verify the information given to them. As a result, they are less likely to be able to keep themselves and their loved ones safe. The challenge is how to enable easy access to accurate information in the languages most used by EU's migrant populations. UU Got It provides a solution through streaming up to date TV broadcasts and on demand programs. It adds interactive same language subtitles. It enables people to simply click on unknown words to get instant translation. It then builds a personalized vocabulary database they can use at any time. UU Got It is the first scalable solution that combines language learning and integration. It works with people in a natural setting where they learn most efficiently. The idea was born in an Erasmus University student exchange program. UU Got It has already been user tested and rolled out in Austria. It's been recommended by Austria's Federal Ministry of Education, Science and Research as a key resource for new immigrants. It's also in use for adult education and distance learning. During the EU versus virus hackathon, we developed a next generation prototype that demonstrates that our existing solution is an excellent platform for scaling up and implementation into further EU countries. We have multiple revenue streams and highlight here the license model for governments. UU Got It is the perfect companion that supports mobility within Europe. It helps both individuals as well as towns, cities, and countries accelerate the process of integration towards much needed social cohesion.